Here I've got Lenovo S5 and let me show you how to perform a hard reset through the settings on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on System. And finally click on Factory Data Reset, and if you truly want to perform a factory data reset which will erase all data including your account information, contacts, messages, music, photo, video and all the rest, click on Factory Data Reset. Confirm it one more time by tapping on Reset. Just remember that this operation cannot be undone, and now just wait as it will be done automatically, and afterward you will be able to set up your device as a new one. And that's it, now you can set up your device as a new one. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.